Hello everybody, today we make a roll stuffed with onion, bacon and cranberry. For the ingredient we got flour, milk, you gotta warm up a little bit. I got oil, eggs, yeast, sugar, salt, onion, cranberry and bacon. Now we start with the dough. We gotta prepare everything. You put the yeast on this cup and you put the milk. It gotta stay a little bit like this, the milk with the yeast, and you mix a little bit like that. Okay, now we got over here the flour, and we put the flour on this bowl over here, and I gotta use 1 egg. With the egg, I want to scramble a little bit of the eggs like this, it come out nice, and you scramble right over here inside of the flour like that. And now, we got the salt, and we got a little sugar, and now you gotta use 2 tablespoons oil. 1 and 2. And we mix it again, this like that. Okay, we got over here the yeast with the milk. It's all mixed together. And we put it right inside of here. Make sure to clean up good. Okay, you don't want to leave no yeast inside of the cups over here. Now I'm mixing with a fork, everything like that. Okay, and we clean the fork good, and we start to mix everything now, and we got the rest of the milk. I not put everything at one time, again, you never know, maybe you got enough for what I got over here. I do by hand, but you got the machine, I got a machine, but I like to do by hand. You can use a machine. Okay, we gotta use the rest, the milk. And this, that's enough. Okay, now this it's almost ready, but I got a little stick over here. And I got the flour over here on the side, and you put on your hands like this. You clean everything. Okay, like that. And now you give it the last mix, but make sure the mix is good, okay? Okay, after you take it out like this, you can play a little bit and mix it nice. And look how beautiful it come out now. Look. Okay, you take a little flour and you put it right on the barrel over here, the dish over here. You put back and you put a little flour right on the top. You can use the paper, okay, so you don't gotta cover. But I got this cover, okay, seal really good like this. And this, you gotta stay now for 1 hour. Now, the dough, it's already for raise. When you do the dough, the raise, you gotta double them up. I say 1 hour, my house. A lot of places, it's a little colder, but you gotta double them up. Now, the start, I want to start to do the bacon. The bacon, you gotta slice. After you gotta make a little small piece. And I slice like this. Make a little small piece. You turn this around like that. And you cut little dice like that. After I saute this, we gotta do the onion too, okay? This is gotta be cold when you fill it up the dough. You gotta be everything cold. Now the bacon is done, nice little piece, and now we start with onion. And the onion we gotta cut, I cut and a half of this, like that. And after we cut a little piece, okay, this you gotta be small too, like the bacon. Okay, turn around, and you make little piece like that. Okay, now I chop the onion and the bacon. Now I want to start do the bacon first. I don't use no oil for now, cause the bacon got a little fat, and I want to use like this, with no oil. Okay, we put on low. Cause this you gotta cook really medium low. Okay, you gotta be nice, crispy, and you gotta take all the fat out. Okay, now the bacon, it's a nice color. And we take it out of the bacon. And I put it right on this dish over here. And now, I gotta use a little oil. Okay, and we put the onion. Now, really, really good. Let's load the gas. I don't want the onion to burn everything. Okay. And now, this you gotta cook really on low. And I like to put a little salt, not too much salt like this, and black pepper. Okay. We gotta do this really low. The cook really, really nice. And we leave it stay like this. Okay, now the onions are nice. And we got the bacon. We mix it together this and now. I mix really, really good together. And this you gotta cool off. And the smell is so good. Wait, the one that's done this, after you see the way it looks so beautiful. Okay, now we turn the gas off and we leave it stay to cool off. Okay, now the dough is ready. And look how beautiful it look. You see, it double them up. It's so beautiful. Now, what you gotta do, I gotta put a little flour right over here. Not too much, only like this. A little flour in my hand, like that. Now I take, and we put right over here, look. It look a beautiful look, right? Now what I do, I want do like this a little bit. And I turn it the other way. And we cut a piece now. And I cut it like this. Okay. Now we do the little piece. Okay, you gotta make like a little ball, and we do one, maybe like this. But since after we can make extra one. Okay. Now we gotta roll, make sure it gotta be like a little ball like this. Cause this you gotta grow after I put over there, you cover, it gotta grow for half hour. Okay, now what I gotta do, I gotta flat all this and we put it right over here on this pot, okay, it gotta grow for half hour. Now, the flat you can use the roll, but I want to use my hands like this. And you pack like that, and you just make like little big like this. And you put right over here like that. And you do all the same like I did this. Okay, now the onion and the bacon, it's cool off, and now we mix the cranberry, and we mix all together. Okay, good. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Thanksgiving, everybody have one of this, with a nice glass of wine. Everything, it looks so good. And we put now on this dish. Okay, I got one egg over here. I want to scramble really good because this I gotta use with a brush when I do the dough over there. Okay, give a beautiful color when it go in the oven. Okay, let's see. Oh, look how beautiful look my roll over here. And now we do like this. And look, one by one, we do. Okay, and now I want to do all the way around like this. They give a beautiful color when they come out of the oven. It's so nice. Okay, we do now each one the same like I do this, all the way around. And now we stuff each one. And we do like this, nice. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven at 375. And look how beautiful look now this. Let's put it in the oven. 25 minutes. After we take out, it will show how beautiful you gotta look this. Okay, now it's 25 minutes, and let's check my. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful color, how beautiful look. Oh boy, look at this. Oh, so light, light. Look at that. And let me test. Oh, it's nice. Nice. Really good. A good taste. I like to eat all. Make this, okay, you surprise when it come out good. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.